This is a short video to discuss options you have for formatting a paragraph. I'll be using this group right here, Home tab, Paragraph group. Specifically, I'll use this small arrow in the corner that brings up the paragraph dialog box. So here are some of the options available. These are default settings, but choosing where you want the paragraph item to be aligned, these would match these icons right here. The outline level is just body text. That would match the outlining icon up here. For your indents, left and right, you could control those with these icons up here as well. The spacing, currently in this default setting, there is a 10-point extra amount of spacing after each line of the paragraph, which gives it a line spacing if called multiple, which is 1.15. That can be controlled by this icon right here, which is the line spacing icon, or we can adjust it right in here. Something else that can be used is using these styles up here. Now, Microsoft Word, when you have a line selected in a paragraph, and a paragraph represents where typing begins and the enter key is not pressed until the end. So for example, I've typed this document. I didn't press enter at the end of each line, allowing the text just to wrap. I didn't press enter until the end of this down here, so Word considers this a paragraph. So I've clicked inside my paragraph, so now any type of formats that I do, I can see previewed on my paragraph. This is normal. The no spacing. The no spacing takes out that extra 10 points of space after each line. Heading, heading 2, and on down like that. So I can see the preview up here, and then I can pick which type of a style I want. By clicking on here, this is a separate paragraph because this would be typing and an enter pressed after here. So now, as I hover, it only affects that line right there. So clicking back into my paragraph here, going back to access my dialog box here, this is set up to be a double spacing. If I change that to single and click on OK, it takes it down to the single spacing there. So remember, in selecting a paragraph, so long as you click between where your typing began and you pressed enter, your choices are assigned to that paragraph. There's another video available on text and paragraph selection with further tips on how to make selections.